Today, take a look at the Android Auto adapter. So we got our instructions and we got our adapter. This is one thing I like to see. It actually has a USB-A to USB-C adapter. So by default, this connects to USB-A, but if your car uses USB-C, you can just plug that guy in, and now we'll have a USB-C wireless Android Auto adapter. So very nice tiny little thing. There are no ports or anything funny going on in here. We do have a nice braided cable, and I like this is a fairly lightweight adapter. So in the event you got this thing hanging out your USB port, you don't have to worry about this thing pulling on it and damaging your port. So I'll start out with plugging it in. And that does light up, so we know that it is on. So now I got CarPlay A159. And pair. Done. And there we go. We are now connected to Android Auto. I got my maps. I got everything that I would normally get with Android Auto. So now what I want to know is, if I turn my car off, will it still be able to connect to my phone? Okay, so the phone does see it. And there we go. Connected right to Android Auto right away. So I can just keep this thing in my pocket. I don't have to ever pull it out. As soon as I step in my car, I turn it on, it's going to automatically connect. So that is an awesome little dongle.